Hey guys, hope you're enjoying your wonderful Friday. We posted a white 6th gen early in the week on YouTube of Mr. Johnson's car we finished up with a Whipple package on it. Jalen and his father flew into town today to take it for a test drive. We got some footage of it I want to share with you guys now.
That looks sweet, man. Golly, that looks so good.
Now there's something to look at.
Yeah.
Man, that has turned out excellent.
That thing's
Beautiful. Definitely sets it off. Wow. That is amazing.
Open up that exhaust. I think that's a quiet mode.
That's quiet right now. Yeah, it's
Hey, you give it some gas. Let him stand out here.
Man, this thing reels so fast.
I mean, it drives smooth so far. I mean, I can't, if you asked me this thing got, you know, all this work done to it, I couldn't even tell how smooth, with the way it drives and everything.
Exactly.
I'm in shock right now how well it does.
It's not trying to push through or nothing out there. I mean,
No. It's got a little bit of shake, but
not much.
no, it's fine.
It just enough to let you know that it's got something.
Wow.
Perfect, man.
It sounds so good, don't it?
Sick, man. Golly, love it, sick.
Yeah. Your backfires sound good.
Popping.
Good right there. Oh man, it got up there.
It gets up there quick.
Yeah.
Wow. It's amazing how smooth this thing runs though. Oh my goodness. to it right there. That instant power. Golly.
All right, how was that?
Shout out to Steven and LMR for building the dream car. This thing is awesome. I can't explain how awesome. I have no words.
Just the perfect car I was wanting made. It was exactly how I wanted it done.
Yeah.
Everything about it. How it rides, the power, just everything about it. How it sounds. Just perfect. It just kept going. It was just a different animal whenever it hit it. Wow. That thing, man, that thing's just amazing. It's just amazing. I don't know what to say about it.
And Dad?
It's
You got on it too, right?
Yeah. Words can't describe it. It's scary at first when you're not used to that kind of power, which it was nothing like this when we brought it. And now, whenever you get on it, you better be holding on for a minute because it's definitely a rush. Push you back in the seat, spinning tires. It's fun. It is very fun. It's going to take a little bit to get used to, but man, again, just can't explain of how good of a job that you guys have done on this car. It's amazing, without a doubt.
Awesome.
Thank you, Steven. Thank you, LMR. Like I said, so glad that you guys took care of us and got this done. We came a long way to get this done because of your reputation, and we're not sorry a bit. We feel like we made the right choice, and maybe one day down the road I'm gonna get me a Camaro. Now, I was not planning on it, Steven, but now I can't let my son outdo me. So I'm gonna have to come up with something for you to build for me now. So we will be back.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much. And if you guys ever take any kind of videos, send them our way, and we'd love to post it online.
All right, we'll do.
Yeah, it's gonna be a fun drive back to Tennessee.
It is. I was dreading it at first. Now I'm looking forward to it.
You might make it there in record time.
We'll see.
Let's beat that GPS.
All right, with great power comes great responsibility. As y'all can see from this video, Jalen and his dad, they're trying to get the feel for the car, and they're respecting the horsepower because they've never felt something like this before. So you can see how they put it in manual mode, kind of accelerate slowly without going all the way. So in manual mode, obviously, guys, we have it set where you go wide open throttle. It has to hit a certain RPM before it shifts. Y'all can see them just gradually getting into it, having fun with the burbles, enjoying it. But I definitely do like them to see how they are being very cautious on it right now before they get it back. Once they get the feel for it, then they're gonna keep it in manual mode and go through the gears and actually feel its full potential. But they're about to head back to Tennessee, and I wish them the best, and they're gonna have a wonderful, safe drive home.